Welcome to the 7th video of this section. This video is titled Functions of Money. In this video, we will be looking at what money is used for. There are in fact a number of functions that money performs, and it is important to understand these. Let's first return to a diagram you have seen before. You may or may not recall that when we looked at this diagram before, we didn't actually mention the word money once. Instead, we stated that scarcity lies at the heart of economics. It's worth just refreshing this point, as it is a common misconception that economics is all about money. But then, if economics is about scarcity, what is the role of money in the economy? The concept of money has evolved over time. There are 4 principal functions that we should understand. Medium of exchange. In an economy where people are able to subsist by themselves, there may not be a reason for them to trade. However, due to specialization, people do not have to make everything they need by themselves. They may therefore need to trade to get the goods they need or want. Bartering, or swapping goods they both produce, could be one option but is somewhat impractical. To facilitate the exchange of goods, economies may therefore require a universally acceptable medium of exchange. Money fulfills this role. However, to do so, it has to have certain qualities. It has to be portable, divisible into different denominations, and impossible to forge. This will allow you to carry around money that is of a high value, and that which can be trusted. Store of value. As individuals work and accumulate wealth, their thoughts will turn to storing this wealth, so that it can be used to buy goods in the future. This will allow individuals to preserve their wealth. Money can be stored and can therefore be considered to fulfill this role. One point to note here is that inflation can reduce the value of money over time, so some steps may need to be taken to address this risk. For this reason, some people may use some of their money to buy gold, for example, in order to protect against inflation. However, for most people, money acts as a sufficient store of value. Unit of account. This can also be called measure of value. The point here is that measuring value in terms of money allows us to compare the values of different goods. The value of a good gets expressed as a price which is expressed in terms of money. The benefit of this is that we can add unrelated and dissimilar things up to arrive at a recognizable single number. For example, the value of a shopping list comprising bread, milk, orange juice and some vegetables and fruit, can be expressed in a single number denominated in pounds and pence. This is what makes money a unit of account. Method of deferred payment. Sometimes it is necessary to agree in advance the value of future payments. Payments for goods to be supplied in the future, or for wages for the rest of the year, are often agreed in advance. Money can also be used to pay back debt. Money's role as a unit of account enables it to be used to settle future claims. Let's recap. In this video, we learned that the functions of money are medium of exchange, store of value, unit of account and method of deferred payment. This concludes the first section of this course. The objective in this section has been to introduce the nature of economics and the fundamental problem of scarcity. We've learned about the building blocks of an economy in the form of economic agents, factors of production and money. The extent of government involvement in an economy will be important in determining the nature of the economy. In this section we've also looked at how economics is a social science that uses assumptions and models to develop theories. One theory of note is Adam Smith's theory regarding specialization, which helps to explain how economies became more efficient with the resources they have. Are there any limits, however, as to how much an economy can produce? Let's explore this in the next section of the course, where we will be looking at production possibility frontiers.